Imagine waking up in a room full of things, clothes you don't wear, gadgets you don't use, and subscriptions you forgot about. Your paycheck disappears faster than you can save, and no matter how much you earn, it never feels like enough. Sound familiar? This is not an accident. The world is designed to make you spend more, own more, and stay broke. Big companies, advertisements, and even social media push you to buy things you don't need, making you believe that spending equals happiness. But in reality, it often leads to stress, debt, and regret. What if there was a way out? Frugal living is not about being cheap, it's about being smart. It's about using your money wisely so you can have more freedom, time, and peace of mind. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden tricks of consumerism and how you can break free. Let's begin. Number 1. The hidden psychology of consumerism. Have you ever bought something and felt excited, only to lose interest a few days later? That's because shopping triggers a dopamine rush, the same chemical in your brain that makes you feel happy when eating chocolate or winning a game. But just like sugar, the happiness from shopping doesn't last. So what do? We buy more. Companies and advertisers know this. They use tricks to keep you spending, like flash sales, limited time offers, and even the way stores place items to make you buy things you didn't plan to. Social media makes it even worse. Seeing influencers with expensive clothes, gadgets, and vacations creates FOMO, fear of missing out. It makes you feel like you need to keep up, even if it means spending money you don't have. Then there's the subscription trap. Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, and apps you barely use but keep paying for every month. They seem cheap, but over time, they drain your money. Worst of all, we compare ourselves to others. If your friend gets a new phone, suddenly yours feels old, even if it works fine. This is how consumerism controls your life, without you even noticing. Here's the truth. Owning more doesn't make you happier. It makes you busier, more stressed, and less free. The less you own, the more control you have over your time, your money, and your life. Number 2. The hidden cost of convenience. We live in a world where everything is fast and easy. You can order food with one tap, get same-day delivery, or pay for a ride instead of walking. It feels great, but have you ever stopped to think how much it's costing you? Companies make billions by selling convenience. They know we love saving time, so they charge us extra for it. Ordering food delivery may save you 20 minutes, but it costs 3 times more than cooking at home. A daily $5 coffee seems small, but that's $1,800 a year, enough for a vacation. Then there's the lazy tax, money we lose just because we don't take a few extra minutes to make a smarter choice. ATM fees, paying for bottled water instead of carrying your own, forgetting to cancel subscriptions, these little expenses add up fast. And let's talk about the trap of monthly payments. Instead of buying things outright, we pay in small chunks, streaming services, gym memberships, even furniture and phones. It feels affordable, but over time, these small payments keep you trapped in a cycle of spending. So, what's the solution? The 5-minute frugal rule. If something takes less than 5 minutes to do yourself, cooking instead of ordering, canceling a subscription, walking instead of Ubering, do it. Small changes like these can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Convenience is nice, but freedom is better. Choose wisely. Number 3. How companies design products to keep you broke. Have you noticed that your phone starts slowing down after a couple of years? That's not a coincidence. It's planned obsolescence. Tech companies intentionally design products to stop working well over time so that you feel forced to buy a new one. Then there's the upgrade trap. Every year, a new phone, laptop, or smartwatch comes out with small improvements. But do you really need it? Companies make your current device feel outdated on purpose, so you spend money on the latest version. The truth? Most upgrades are just marketing tricks. Another way businesses keep you spending is through subscriptions. In the past, you bought software once and owned it forever. Now you have to pay every month for things like Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, or even your car's heated seats. Instead of letting you own things, companies want you to rent forever. And it's not just tech. Fashion brands do the same. Fast fashion companies create trendy clothes that fall apart fast, so you have to keep buying more. The more you spend, the richer they get, and the poorer you become. The key to escaping? Buy quality over quantity, and avoid unnecessary upgrades. Own more, rent less. That's how you win. Number 4. The silent millionaire mindset. Most people think rich people drive luxury cars, wear designer clothes, and live in big mansions. But here's a secret. Many millionaires don't live like that at all. Take Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. He still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. Many wealthy people drive used cars, wear simple clothes, and live below their means.
Why?
Because they know true wealth isn't about showing off. It's about freedom. Here's the surprising truth. A janitor can retire richer than a doctor.
How?
A high salary doesn't make you rich. Your spending habits do. Many doctors and lawyers earn a lot, but spend even more, leaving them broke despite their big income. On the other hand, people who save and invest wisely, no matter their job, can build wealth over time. The rich stay rich by acting poor, and the poor stay poor by acting rich. If you spend money trying to impress others, you'll always be broke. But if you save, invest, and spend wisely, you'll build wealth quietly. A simple rule: spend lavishly on what you love, but cut ruthlessly on what you don't. Want to travel the world? Save by cooking at home. Love books? Borrow them from the library instead of buying. Wealth isn't about earning more. It's about keeping more. Start thinking like a silent millionaire and watch how your money grows. Number 5. Frugal living hacks that feel like luxury. Frugal living doesn't mean suffering. You don't have to live without joy to save money. The key is to spend smarter, not just spend less. Here are some simple ways to enjoy a luxurious life without wasting money. 1. Buy high-quality secondhand items. Many people sell barely used clothes, furniture, and electronics for cheap. You can find designer clothes, solid wood furniture, and even top-brand appliances at a fraction of the cost. Instead of buying 5 cheap shirts that wear out fast, buy 1 high-quality shirt that lasts years. This saves money and makes you look better. The same goes for shoes, kitchen tools, and even furniture. Good quality lasts longer and feels better. 2. Rent instead of buy for short-term needs. Need a fancy outfit for a wedding? Rent it instead of buying something expensive that you'll only wear once. The same goes for tools, cars, and even vacation homes. 3. Use travel hacks. Instead of paying full price, use airline points, credit card rewards, and off-season discounts to travel for less. Many people fly business class for free just by using the right credit card. Stay in beautiful Airbnb homes instead of pricey hotels, and also travel in the off-season when prices are lower. 4. Cook restaurant-quality meals at home. Eating out is expensive, but cooking fancy meals at home is cheaper and healthier. Buy a few high-quality ingredients and learn to make your favorite dishes. 5. Use free alternatives. Instead of paying for audiobooks, use free apps like Libby for library rentals. Instead of a gym membership, follow YouTube workouts. Small changes like these save hundreds per month. Luxury is not about spending more. It's about enjoying life smartly. You can live richly without going broke. Start with these frugal hacks and see the difference. Number 6. The freedom equation. Money x time equals life. Most people think money is the goal, but that's not true. The real goal is freedom, the freedom to live how you want, without stress. And here's the simple equation for that. Money times time equals life. What does this mean? Every dollar you spend costs you time. If you earn $20 an hour, a $200 pair of shoes isn't just money, it's 10 hours of your life. Was it worth it? Most people trade all their time for money, then spend that money on things they don't need. The result? They stay stuck in the cycle of work and spending. Consumerism traps people in a cycle, but frugal people do something different. They spend less, save more, and buy their time back. Here's how this works. If you save money instead of wasting it, you need less money to live. When you need less money, you don't have to work as much. With more free time, you can do what truly makes you happy. Spend time with family, travel, or start a passion project. So before buying anything, ask yourself, how many hours of my life is this worth? Make choices that bring you closer to freedom, not just more stuff. Frugal living isn't about giving up things. It's about gaining control over your money, time, and happiness. When you stop spending on things that don't matter, you can start focusing on what truly makes life rich: freedom, experiences, and peace of mind. Imagine having less stress, no debt, and enough savings to do what you love. That's the power of smart spending. You don't need to follow trends or impress others. You need a life that makes you happy. The less you need to work for things, the more time you have to enjoy life. Start today and take back your freedom, one smart choice at a time. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.